Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to reorder products in WooCommerce store. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our shop. You can see in here shop, so what you can do is you can head over and click on this customize right here. So the first method involves editing it using the default sorting options. So once it's been loaded, you can see the customization or customizer of WordPress or WooCommerce itself. Now from here, scroll down until you can see this WooCommerce option. And from in there, click on this product catalog. And then you can see this shop page display. You can show products and you can sort it depending on which one you want. It can be by price, by most recent, average rating, and the likes. So for example, let's sort it by most recent. And then this will reload the page in order to show you the new sorting that will actually reorder your actual shop. As you can see, it's been added right here. Once you have done that, click on the Save Changes, and then you should be good to go. Next method that we can do is you can head back right here to our products. And then from there, you can see this option called Sorting. So click on that, and then this will direct you to a new page wherein you can sort out these products that you have. So for example, I have in here this product. So what you can do in this case is to just head over and then sort and map however you want. So for example, let's move this below. You can do it as well through that. So once you had ever and do that, you can do it as you can always sort it depending on SKU, stock, price, categories, tags, and the like. And then the next method we have is selling priority for products. So for example, I have this product right here. Let's head over and click on this edit right here in order to properly open it. Once it's been opened, you should be able to see the product editor of WordPress. So scroll down on that until you can see the advanced option. Here's the advanced options. Click on that and you can see this right here. So this actually does priority. So make this one right here. And once you have done that, click on this update option in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.